Why is heart health such a pivotal topic of conversation in modern society? And how can low-sodium meals play a vital role in maintaining this vital organ? Welcome to a culinary journey that prioritizes not just the taste buds, but also the heart. Today, the spotlight is on low-sodium meals, a simple yet effective way to ensure heart health. Sodium, commonly known as salt, is an essential mineral, but too much of it can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. So, a diet that is low in sodium is a crucial step towards a healthier heart. Start off with the basics, choosing the right ingredients. Fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, and low-fat dairy are the building blocks of a low-sodium diet. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often high in sodium and should be avoided. Next, consider the cooking methods. Grilling, steaming, and baking are often healthier alternatives to frying. These methods not only help to retain the natural flavors, but also reduce the need for added salt. Spices and herbs are your best friends when it comes to flavoring low-sodium meals. Garlic, onion, black pepper, parsley, and oregano can add a burst of flavor without the extra sodium. Try to avoid pre-made seasoning mixes as they often contain hidden sodium. When it comes to sauces and dressings, opt for homemade versions whenever possible. Store-bought versions can be high in sodium. A simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, vinegar, and a pinch of pepper can be a flavorful and low-sodium choice. Remember to read food labels when shopping. Look for products labeled as low sodium, sodium-free, or no salt added. Now, to the benefits of low-sodium meals. Firstly, they help in maintaining a healthy blood pressure, which is crucial for heart health. Secondly, low-sodium meals can help in preventing fluid retention, a common issue among those with heart disease. And finally, a diet low in sodium can contribute to overall better health and longevity. In conclusion, the importance of heart health cannot be overstated. And a diet that is low in sodium is one of the most effective ways to ensure the well-being of this vital organ. So, embrace the world of low-sodium meals and give your heart the care it deserves. Remember, the journey to heart health is not a destination, but a continuous process. And every small step, like choosing a low-sodium meal, can make a significant difference. So, here's to a healthier heart, one meal at a time.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest